Hello everyone, in today's video, I will show you how to change your desktop wallpaper on Windows 11. If you're looking to personalize your Windows 11 computer by changing the desktop wallpaper, there are a couple of easy ways to do it. Let's start with the quickest method. If you already have an image file saved on your computer, navigate to where the image is located. Right-click on the image file and, in the menu that appears, select the option that says Set as Desktop Background. The selected image will immediately become your desktop wallpaper. If you'd like more options or want to explore other ways to customize your background, you can do this through the personalization settings. Start by right-clicking on any blank area of your desktop. From the menu that appears, click on Personalize. This will open the Settings app and take you directly to the Personalization section. In the Personalization window, select Background from the list of options. Here, you'll see different ways to customize your desktop background. If you want to use one of the preloaded images from Microsoft, you can choose one from the Choose a Picture section. Simply click on an image and it will be applied to your desktop. If you want to use a custom image that's saved on your computer, click the Browse button. This will open a File Explorer window, allowing you to navigate to the location where your image is stored. Select the image you want and click Choose Picture. The selected image will now be set as your desktop wallpaper. You can also change your desktop background to a solid color if you prefer a simple and clean look. Under the background settings, choose Solid Color from the drop-down menu and pick a color from the provided options. Lastly, if you'd like your wallpaper to change automatically over time, you can set up a slideshow. Select Slideshow from the drop-down menu and then click Browse to choose a folder containing multiple images. Windows will cycle through these images at the interval you set. That's it. You can change your desktop wallpaper on Windows 11. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.